What is up, everybody? I want to let you know how I just made like 2 grand off of flipping this Slotie NFT. So let's get straight into this video and let's start talking about the things that you want to hear. How the F do I make money off of these NFTs? So let's get straight into this video. So what I got over here, let me actually show you the NFT that I got into. Let me show you how much money I paid for it. Let's show you a couple of reasons why I got into this NFT. And yeah, and also one more quick thing. In addition to making that money, I also got another NFT for free. And let me show you how I also got into these pre-sales. So guys, make sure you like this video right off the bat. Make sure you check out the Only Crypto Fans membership. Make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm going to be bringing you a whole bunch of value, and I'm going to set my Dunkin' real quick. All right, cool. So let me go over to the Slotie NFT Discord chat real quick. Let me turn off my second thing right there. Let me share my screen. What's lagging? Wait for stop lagging. Cool. All right, cool. So as you guys know, I made a video on this I think it was like 2 days ago or yesterday. I don't remember. But Slotie's NFT, guys, they're pretty much what they're trying to do is have a casino in the metaverse. All right. Let me pull up my OpenSeas real quick as well too. I was just looking at this. Actually, got it right here. Oh fuck. I'm cool. All right. So right now, Slotie NFTs, the floor price is around 38.38 Ethereum. I still have one NFT, which is I consider it as for free. Why is Siri talking to me? Yes, I have one that I got kind of for free, and I'll explain that in a second. So originally, let me break down the numbers to you guys. Originally, these Sloties came out for, I got into the pre-sale for 0.08 and I got in the public sale for 0.16. Honestly, I probably should have bought more. I just wanted in the public sale. I talked about this in the last video. The public sale, they were all going so fast. Like the public sale ran out in like literally 3-5 minutes. The pre-sale ran out in literally 5 seconds. Well, the second pre-sale ran out in 5 seconds. First pre-sale was guaranteed in. Second pre-sale, I couldn't get in because I tried to get 2 and it ran out literally in 5 seconds. Couldn't get in. Second public sale, I had to just get something. I wanted to get something, so I bought one. And after that, I bought that one. The public sale just ran out. Clearly, if I bought some more, I would have been that much more richer, obviously. But yeah, so guys, let's talk about this. Those are my numbers. I'm in it. So right now I was in it 0.24. Last night I actually just sold it for 0.44. So I'm showing my activity here. If it loads. Yeah, so I sold one of these slides for 0.44. Obviously I still have the other one. So realistically, I'm in the profits of 0.2 Ethereum, and I still have a free one. So my idea right now, so what I did is I sold that one so that I can make my money back plus a little bit extra. Now I'm gonna have this one. Probably gonna hold on to this for the long run because I want to see if you actually start generating some passive income through this NFT. Okay, because that was the entire point of this. That's why most people got in, because they have this in the metaverse, they're gonna have this casino, and you're supposed to be getting like royalties based upon the income that's being generated from the casino. So what I'm gonna do is unless the price skyrockets for this, I'm probably gonna hold on to this. Actually, no, what I'm gonna do is the reveal is gonna come out like tomorrow, depending on what type of Slotie this actually is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see if mine's rare. If mine's not rare, I'm probably going to sell it, or I'm going to post it up, see if it can sell for another 0.44. I don't think so though, because right now, usually what happens is after the reveal, the price kind of does drop a little bit. As you can see right now, the activity on this, wow, my Wi-Fi is so bad right now. But as you can see, right, once I post up the activity on this, the floor prices are consistently going up, which is also a good note. But usually when they actually do the reveal, what I mean by the reveal is when they actually show what Slotie you have and the traits on it, usually the price goes down. So depending if this Slotie that I have is a good Slotie, if it's rare, I'm going to keep it. If it's not rare, I'm probably going to try to sell it just to quickly flip it, and I might try to snipe a rare Slotie over here. Like as soon as they release a rarity, whatever it's called, I'm probably going to check, or as soon as they do the actual review, I'm going to check to see if it's rare, and I'm trying to pick up a more rare Slotie. All right, and when I pick up that rare Slotie, I'm going to see if I can either flip that, or I might just keep that just to see. Like I said, I want to see if this actually generates passive income and see how this actually does. Okay, a couple other passive income projects that I'm going to be hopping in. I know this. I want to talk more about this, but this is taking so effing long to load. I don't get it. Like, what the F? Like, Upwork and try clearing some of this shit you got here. I know it's not what you guys want to see. You guys want to see some money. I'm talking about money. You guys like hearing me talk about money. I like talking about money. We all like talking about money, but this is not letting me talk about money because it's not freaking showing me the activity. All right. Well, I guess you guys are just gonna have to trust me that I sold that for 0.44. All right, so I don't want to wait for this. But let's talk about a couple other projects that I'm going to be hopping into. So let's go over here. Let's go over to a couple ones. So the first one that I like is one called Rowdy Roo. Rowdy Roo is supposed to be generating you passive income as well. And if you check, it kind of checks up all of the qualifications for a type of investment that we're going to. All right, Sloties did really well for me. It generated passive income, first casino. All right, this had, I know it doesn't say it right now, but it has like 100,000 members. Rowdy Roo, once again, also has 100,000 members, has passive income, and I'm already in the pre-sale. Other one, Crypto Champions. Do I have this one coming out? So on Saturday, this Saturday, Rowdy Roo and Crypto Champs are also coming out. Crypto Champs, it doesn't have passive income, but the utility that Crypto Champs provides is incredible. So Rowdy Roo's, first of all, they're doing a lot of ads on TikTok. They're doing a lot of influencer marketing. So they're investing in their own company, just like Sloties did. I always find that to be a good thing. Crypto Champions, they do a lot of influencer marketing, but they're not as heavy as Sloties. Sloties is also doing a lot of paid ads like Google and Facebook and native ads as well. Rowdy Roo's mostly just influencer marketing. Crypto Champs, a lot less influencer marketing than Rowdy Roo's, but it does provide a lot of utility in the fact that if you get a Crypto Champ, what you're able to do is you're able to join these events, these mentorship programs, these courses that they're going to have available, all these other little gimmicks that they have that's supposed to help entrepreneurs. This one, it seems like a cool hold, honestly. So just to be a part of that community, it kind of sounds like another Bored Ape Yacht Club, because that's kind of the same principle. They have events and things like that. And I imagine that they're going to be following the same exact things as the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So they're probably going to add some sort of passive income producing asset on this Crypto Champ as well in the future. Hate Beast, I wish I was able to get into their pre-sale, but wasn't. Crypto Clowns, I'm probably gonna hop out of that. Well, I don't have anything in there. I'm probably delete that. Another cool one is blockchain miners. Pretty much blockchain miners, what they're doing. Only thing is, it doesn't have a lot of members in here. Yeah, I mean, it's 40,000. That's pretty good. The cool thing about blockchain is that on January 25th or something like that, they're actually going to be starting the blockchain mining. And pretty much what they're doing is that you have to have 2 of these blockchain miners, and you have 2 of these blockchain miners, you trade them in, you breed them into a major blockchain miner, and that major blockchain miner is going to allow you to actually mine, well, pretty much rent this miner. How this works is this guy, he's genius. These guys are such a smart. I wish I did this, to be honest. There's one guy over here. He found a company that does mining, crypto mining. This guy over here, this middleman, approach we can call him, made an NFT so that you pay this guy money so that he rents out these miners, converts these miners that probably mines Ethereum over to hash. That hash goes to you. So utility goes to him. I mean, that Ethereum that the miner is mining, I don't know what it's mining of, probably something a little more simple. Let's say it's Ethereum, probably goes into the third party. He converts that puts that into that Ethereum into utility for the hash token. The hash utility goes to you by having that NFT. Cool project. I love the way he's implementing that shit. Right, genius. It's just smart, right? Because he's not actually holding whoever this guy is. Right, what's his thing? Brandon profits. He's gonna make profits off this, because the things about this is that he doesn't have the real estate of the actual miners. What I mean by that, he doesn't have to worry about the upkeep on these miners. He doesn't have to worry about putting these miners in places. He doesn't have to worry about that. He already has a third party white label mining company that is utilizing to provide utility for these NFTs that he has. Genius. It's just smart, right? So, but these are going to launch off. They're right now, each miner is going for like $1,000, $1,200, something like that. It's pretty cool. Any new announcements here? Yeah, pre-sale. I mean, I missed that pre-sale, to be honest. I got a little late. I don't know if I'm gonna wait off on blockchain miners. I'll give you an update video on there when it actually turns to January. Because I don't know if it's gonna be worth getting that hash just yet. It seems like a cool project, but the middleman situation, it's interesting. It has 40,000 members. It's hot. I like that. But I'm gonna hold off on that until more of January, see what they can do, and I'll recommend it to you then. Right now, the ones I'm recommending is Rowdy Roo, and I also recommend Crypto Champs. Okay, those are probably the ones I'm gonna get into. Rowdy Roo, like I said, is me this Saturday. Crypto Champs, I'm not in the pre-sale here. The private mint, what is it called? Yeah, the private mint. I'm not in the private mint, but I can get into that pretty quick, just by leveling up to like level 3 or 8. I just gotta talk on here, or I gotta invite like 5 people, and then I'll be in the private mint, which is pretty cool, pretty simple. Rowdy Roo, you have to invite like 40 people, which I already did. All right. Thank you guys, by the way, if you guys are my Discord. So guys, if you guys are interested in, first of all, there's a little shameless plug quick. If you guys are interested in knowing about the latest passive income producing assets, click the link down below, hop on my Discord, and become a pro crypto member fan. All right, shameless plug. So yeah, guys, SLOTIES, that may be a little bit of bank, guys. Like I said, I maybe 0.2 on top of getting that initial free Slotie. All right. So what I did is, like I said, I bought in the pre-sale at 0.08. There's a pre-sale for 1 Slotie, and the public sale is 0.16, equaling to 0.24 plus a little bit in gas. It was like $30 for each one, $60 in gas. Then I listed it, sold it for 0.44, and I was actually kind of surprised, because right now the floor price is like 0.35 or something like that, and I sold it for 0.44. It's a lot more. But the thing is, I had a cool number. All right. So I had like 2 Slotie NFTs. I knew that if I listed up this other one, I forgot what the number was, 2444 or something like 2445. I don't know what it was, but it was a cool number. Let's see if it loaded up here. No, it didn't. So what I did is I realized 2419 isn't as cool of a number as the one I had. So I sold the cooler number one, and it did work. You know, like my intuition worked, because I sold the one with the cooler number, and I don't know, people were worried about that, I guess, even though it hasn't revealed yet. It worked. But yeah, guys, cool little project here, cool little quick income. I'm gonna roll this income that I made here over into Rowdy Roo's. And I want to roll this over into Crypto Champs as well, this right here, and see what I can do with that. 2 really cool projects that I think you guys should definitely check out. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys are interested, have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. And I'll talk to y'all later. And one more thing, guys, up there, I'll see you up there. That's the top. I see you there. Peace out, guys.